Welcome to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to unlock a locked keyboard on Asus laptop running Windows 11.
Fix 1. Unlock with right shift key. Step 1. Hold the right shift key for 8 seconds. Step 2. This turns off filter keys, if it was enabled. Step 3. Test your keyboard again. Fix 2. Turn off filter keys, accessibility setting. Step 1. Press Windows I to open settings. Step 2. Go to accessibility keyboard. Step 3. Make sure filter keys is turned off. Step 4. Check if typing works. Fix 3. Clean and test keyboard. Step 1. Shut down your laptop. Step 2. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean dust from keys. Step 3. Power on and test typing again. Fix 4. Restart your laptop. Step 1. Click Start Power Restart. Step 2. Wait until Windows